Welcome to my channel. Today I want you to imagine something very simple. Every generation has a moment where normal people become rich, not by luck, not by inheritance, but by entering the right opportunity at the right time. In the past, the internet created millionaires, then e-commerce, then startups and apps. Now, a new wave is here, and those who understand it early will build real wealth and real power. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 major opportunities that can make you rich in the next 5 to 10 years. 1. Artificial intelligence. 2. Data, the fuel behind AI. 3. Carbon credits. 4. Land, but in a new, smarter way. If you understand even one of these deeply and take action, you can change your financial life. So let's start with the biggest revolution happening right now. AI isn't just a technology. It's a money-making machine that is replacing old ways of doing business. Right now, times companies are reducing costs using AI. Times freelancers are delivering 5x more work with AI tools. Times small businesses are using AI instead of hiring extra staff. Times creators are building tools, content, and services around AI. 1. Start an AI service business. You can use AI tools to create logos, marketing content, social media posts, YouTube scripts, resumes, translations, and more. Sell these as services. 2. AI automation for small businesses. Every business wants to cut costs. If you help them use AI for customer support, marketing, data entry, or emails, you can charge monthly fees. 3. Create no-code AI tools. You don't need to be a coder. Platforms now allow you to build things like AI chatbots, resume makers, content generators, and sell them as subscriptions. 4. Freelancing with AI. Writers, editors, video creators, marketers. Everyone is using AI to deliver fast results. You can do the same and earn more with less time. 5. Teach AI to others. People and companies want to learn AI tools. You can sell courses, workshops, or consultations. A guy created a simple AI-based resume builder using no-code tools. Today he has over 50,000 users and charges a small amount per user. That's recurring income. You don't need to build AI. You need to use it and sell it. AI cannot work without one thing: data. Just like a car needs fuel, AI needs data to learn, think, and perform. Over the next few years, data will be more valuable than all. Why? Because times companies need training data for AI models. Times businesses are trying to buy or collect user data. Times governments are setting rules around data privacy. Times startups are building companies only around data. 1. Data collection and licensing. If you can collect niche data, for example, agriculture data, customer behavior, health data, local business info, you can sell or license it to companies. 2. Data labeling and annotation. AI needs labeled data. You can build or join a data labeling business and sell services to AI companies. 3. Build databases for specific industries. Example: logistics, retail, education, travel, farming. Companies pay big money for accurate datasets. 4. Data aggregation services. You can collect public data, clean it, organize it, and sell access. 5. Community-based data projects. You can create apps or platforms where users share data and you monetize through AI partnerships. There are companies that only provide voice samples, handwriting data, medical research data, or traffic data, and they earn millions. If AI is the engine, data is the fuel. People who control data will control the AI economy. Carbon credits are one of the least understood but fastest growing money opportunities. Let me explain simply. Times every company in the world produces carbon emissions. Times governments are forcing them to reduce or pay for compensation. Times when a company cannot reduce its pollution, it has to buy carbon credits from someone who is protecting the environment. That someone can be times a landowner, times a business, times a farmer, times an investor, times or even a startup. 1. If you own land, you can register your land under carbon credit programs and earn money yearly. 2. Carbon farming or tree planting projects or plant trees, maintain forests, or support green projects and get paid. 3. Become a carbon credit broker. You connect companies who need carbon credits with people who generate them. 4. Start a sustainability business, help companies reduce emissions and earn consulting fees plus commissions. 5. Carbon trading platforms. Some startups already trade carbon credits like cryptocurrency. Small blue diamond. Why this is a big deal? Times big corporations like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon are buying millions of dollars worth of credits. Times many countries are making it a legal requirement. Land has always been valuable, but the way to make money from land is changing. Today, land isn't just about buying and waiting for appreciation. Land is now connected to times AI infrastructure, times data centers, times carbon credits, times renewable energy, times smart agriculture, times warehousing and logistics. 1. Carbon credit land use. You can lease land for carbon farming or conservation and earn without selling it. 2. Solar and wind leasing. Companies pay you yearly to use your land for energy projects. 3. Data centers and warehouse. The AI boom needs servers, storage, logistics, and cloud infrastructure. 4. Smart agriculture. Farming combined with technology and sustainability earns from both food and carbon credits. 5. Appreciation plus rental income. You don't always need to sell land. Leasing gives ongoing returns. The formula is changing. Land plus AI plus carbon credits is equal to future wealth model. The world is changing faster than ever. You only have two choices. Either you use these opportunities, or you watch while others become rich from them. You don't need to master everything. Just start with one area: AI, data, carbon credits, or land. Move early. Learn fast. Take action while others are still confused.